Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to register a new user in the e-stamp duty. Log in your first MyTax first. Then under e-hasil, choose the duty stamp. Then select the registered user ID. Okay, for the company, right, you need to prepare the form of incorporation of the SSM. Then the IC of the user, front and back, and one of the surat kuasa to appoint who is the agent admin of the stamp duty. Then now you just need to select the syarikat, means the company. Later on, fill in all the informations in this page. Okay, in the lampiran, this step, you need to upload the document required, which is the incorporation form and the IC and the surat kuasa in this page. Okay, lastly, you need to review the information you type in, whether all this is correct. Once all the information is correct, then you can hantar, send. Okay, once you complete, go to your email and check the activation link to complete it. Thank you.